Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to link Twitch account to your Facebook page. So let's go to the Facebook page first. Make sure you are on your Facebook page, not your Facebook account or normal Facebook ID. You have to click on this and then you'll find here your Facebook name and your Facebook page name. You have to click on the Facebook page name first and then it will switch to your Facebook page account. Now if you want to add your Twitch account, you have to click on this Facebook page name again, which is top left corner. Now you have to click on this about section, click on about and then scroll down a bit and then you'll find here websites and social links. If you want to add any social links like Facebook, X or Twitch, you have to click on this pencil icon and click on add a social link. Now you have to click on this drop down menu and you have to find Twitch. Here you can find this Twitch account. Click on Twitch and you have to put here the Twitch username. Okay, username or the link, direct link. Then you have to click on save. After click on save, your Twitch account will be added here. So this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.